Welcome back. Welcome to this week's vlog. This week I am taking you to Lake Naivasha and a quick tour of Lake Naivasha Country Club, at least the food and our room. So hope you enjoy. Hope you're enjoying all of these wonderful Kenya videos. Yeah, wow, sorry, brain dead. So as well as taking you on a tour of Lake Naivasha, I do want to take the time this week, since there wasn't a ton of content, so we were only in Lake Naivasha one night. I wanted to take a moment to give a shout out to Best Memory Safaris, and Isaac and Timothy for being so incredible in this journey. So you'll see that in the video. This video is in no way sponsored by or promoted by Best Memory Safaris. I just wanted to say thankful and share my gratitude for the people that made this trip a possibility for us. As many of you know, it was a last minute change for us. Within, I think it was 5 weeks, we changed from South Africa and we're taking off for Kenya instead. We had to keep the same dates. So to go to a place that I knew nothing about and could not even begin to think about how to plan, reaching out to these people and not having to lift a finger or do a thing, it was just wonderful. So if you're thinking about traveling to this part of the world, check out that part of the video if you want to know more about Best Memory Safaris. Other than that, enjoy Lake Naivasha. We certainly did. It was a wonderful, magical place. Love the little cheeky monkeys running around, and the giraffes walking past our room early in the morning, watching the hippos graze while we ate dinner. Absolutely fantastic. We do not have any footage of dinner. I do have a quick little bit about lunch. But this was the night. I figured it was a magical, wonderful place, and it was just a romantic dining room. So I didn't take the camera. It was just Tom and I for dinner, and we had a beautiful window view, got to watch the hippos. So you don't get to see dinner, but anyway, it was great. We had a wonderful time, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget, if you're enjoying these, support my channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It would help me out a lot. I would really appreciate it. Other than that, enjoy the video. Look forward to seeing you next week. And yeah, hope you're having a good week. So here we are in our room at Lake Naivasha. Got everything we need right here. Sorry about the bags, it's a mess. So even have coffee in the morning. We haven't had that in our room since Nairobi. So that'll be nice to have coffee before breakfast. Probably don't want to see what we look like in the morning, but and then a nice shower. Nice big shower. But the best part is...
Got your little desk?
Yeah, got a desk.
And a place to charge electronic devices.
Is the view. Lake's right there. Dinner is not till 7, which is after sunset. So we actually have to call a porter to walk us to the restaurant because hippos graze right outside the door. So at night, I guess they come up out of the water and graze here on the grass, on the grounds. So that'll be kind of cool if we can see one or hear one or whatever the case may be. Right now, we're going to kind of get settled for a minute, and then I want to walk on that boardwalk out there, and sounds like lots of birds to view and see. So maybe get some pictures of those. So yeah, here we are. Next adventure at 4 o'clock. Timothy is going to pick us up at the front door, and we're going for a boat ride out on the lake. So that'll be fun. Get that fisherman over there out on the water. We just had, I will post pictures. We just had the most incredible 4-course lunch. Oh my gosh, that I've had in a long time. Starting with soup and salad here at Naivasha Country Club and some sparkling water. And now for the mains, roasted turkey with gravy, some chapati, and a few other things. As well as I did go back to the salad table. I will be full. So will Tom. A little history about the island on Lake Naivasha, which I don't know if we're going to, but I know we're going near. The island is where Out of Africa was filmed. And because I guess lions and predators and stuff can't get there, so they shipped the animals to the island for the movie. This is my understanding anyway, from what I read before we left. And all the non-predatory animals are still out there on the island from the movie, the giraffes and zebras and all that stuff. Plenty of animals here. We got waterbuck roaming around, monkeys, cheeky little monkeys, they're so cute, and zebra. I'm going to stand up and turn around so you can kind of see the view, although it's bright, so it might not work out very well. But there's the grounds behind me, and you can see just past the grounds is the lake. That's Lake Naivasha. And again, we're going to be going out there at 4 o'clock. We'll be out on the lake checking out hippos and birds and fish eagles and all that good stuff. I'll get some photos and video while I'm out there. And shortly after I wrap this up, I'm going to go in and post some pictures of our freaking lunch. It's so good. Never heard of beetroot pineapple salad before, but it's one of my new favorite things. So good. I had 2 servings of it. And they had roast turkey for the one of the main courses. Whew, so good, so good. Tom's now in love with traditional beef broth soup. He had that for his soup course. So yeah, anyways, that's where we're at now. And yeah, we're gonna take a little siesta maybe, or work on some pictures, not sure, haven't decided yet. Had a couple cups of coffee because I am tired. Oops, I don't know where to put my hand. I didn't sleep quite as well last night because for some reason we had no problems with our tent the whole time we were there until last night. I was brushing my teeth, looked up, and there was this big old spider. Yeah, Tom killed it. But still, of course, me and my arachnophobia made it a little hard to sleep. I slept better than I thought I did. But yeah, so not sure where he came from or why we ended up having him last night, but yeah. So just wanted to take a quick moment. This video isn't sponsored in any way by Best Memory Safari, but I'm showing you all of these incredible experiences that we were able to have in Kenya, and we could not have had it without Best Memory Safaris. So yeah, just a shout out. Isaac was incredible. We originally planned on the 10-day Kenyan safari that they offer. I gave him my flight itinerary and he filled in all the blanks. We were actually there for 15 days and they picked us up at the airport. They dropped us off when we were done. Other than one day that I requested to do my own planning while we were in Nairobi, all meals, everything, accommodations, everything was included, including our driver and our car. So yeah, highly recommend the trip. And if anyone is interested in reaching out to Best Memory Safaris, I'm sure Isaac would be happy to set you up. Once you booked and you're ready to go and you get there, your price includes everything. So even though it seems like a pretty pricey trip, it's really not that much more than any other vacation because everything's included. All your park entrance fees, which you're in national parks almost every day, all your game drives, and your vehicle, as well as your driver guide person who will become your friend, whoever that may be. Hopefully Timothy, he was wonderful for us. Unlimited game drives, breakfast, lunch, and dinner almost every day. Accommodations, great, incredible accommodations. Your driver guide, of course, will speak English. And there's there was a nice cooler in our Land Cruiser, I assume it's standard, that contained enough water every day to keep us hydrated and everything while we were traveling through the parks. So yeah, anything else you want? Like last minute we decided to do a hot air balloon. We gave Isaac an email. He set that up for us as well. So yeah, they're very accommodating, wonderful, wonderful people. So glad we stumbled upon Best Memory Safaris. And again, this video isn't sponsored. I just know a lot of people are interested in how we planned our trip. We didn't lift a finger. Best Memory Safaris planned the whole trip for us.